Well, we're over here at gotomath.com. Let's click on the calculus button, go to indefinite integration, and we are 5. We're down here at 5. You could also scroll down if you want. Click that one there. And what is all that? So, it says find the indefinite integral. Now, we don't really have any techniques to actually find it in this particular form. Okay? So what we're going to end up doing here is, and I did this intentionally, is we are going to multiply all that stuff out. So I'm writing it down. dt. Okay. All right. So let's move over to the whiteboard now that I got all that. We have the integral, all right, of 4t plus 5 times 7t plus 13 dt. Okay. So what we're going to want to do is multiply this stuff together, get it all in one nice polynomial. This is like the factored form. And then we can take the integral of it. All right. So we're going to do a little side work here. Some side work, right? And multiply these guys out. So we got 4t times 7t, so that's 28t squared. We have 4t times 13t, so that's going to be 52, 26, 52t, right? 4 times 13, I'm going to make sure, 52t plus 52t, and then we got 7 times 5, so that's 35t, and then we got 5 times 13, and that's 65, is that right? I don't know. Yeah, 65. Okay, so we're having a little refresher course here on some intermediate algebra. So now what we want to do is simplify this thing down, right? So we end up with 87 t 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, yeah, right, plus 65. Okay. Now what we're going to do is rewrite that integral 28t squared plus 87t plus 65, and I'm going to put a parentheses around all this, dt. Now we're going to go through and take the integral. So we'll do each one of these separately. So we have 28t squared, so that's going to be 28t to the third over 3 plus 87t squared over 2 plus 65t plus, remember, don't forget the c. Okay, don't forget the c or you will get it wrong, guaranteed. All right, so it doesn't look like this stuff breaks down any further than that. All right, so let's remember this: 28 over 3t cubed, and hopefully everything works out on that deal. All right, let's see something here real quick. 65t plus c, yeah. Okay, so we go down here. So we had 28 over 3t cubed. Was it t cubed? Yeah, plus 87 over t times t squared plus 65t plus c. All right, so it looks good. Okay, so that's just kind of one of those deals. If you didn't do your homework, man, you're going to get that on the quiz test or whatever and be like, oh, how do I do that? Anyway, all right, so come on by, go to math.com, and I shall see you there.